It's done. Hold on. Okay. Wait, the skid was snooze or snores? That snores. Mimi. Oh my gosh. I am Nigman. What does that mean? I just see it. That's it! I just take it anymore. Now go home right now and you're gonna get the Billy, how dare you put it in the other end of the yarn just when it is in the memes what the skid the snores what snooze. Go you right now and ever come out again. Wee